How to delete your YouTube account on Android or iOS. First of all, launch YouTube application on a device. Tap the profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Select Google account at top of the screen. Once the Google account opens, tap on Data and Privacy option. Now select data from apps and services that you use. And here you need to select content saved from Google services. And once it opens, select delete all service. Wait for a while, tap delete a service. And wait for a while until the section loads. And then you have to use your passkey to confirm it's really you. So tap continue button and add your fingerprints or face ID. Now select the trash icon next to YouTube. Tap I want to permanently delete my content. Now check mark both the options and tap delete my content, and once you delete it, then you have to follow the on-screen prompts and your YouTube account will be deleted on Android or iOS device. Thank you for watching.